will you go over to the other shop and I'm gonna come over and say, hey, what's up, Will? And then we'll go through the cars. Hey, what's up, Will?
Morning, Jason.
How's it going?
Great.
What do we got here? RS4?
Yep, this is a coating maintenance.
Sweet. But look at this.
Yeah, wow.
What happened there?
Somebody was scrubbing when they shouldn't have been scrubbing.
Whoa.
It looks like there was a bunch of sap or something.
Whoa. Don't need a light for that one.
Everything else looks good. This is a 2010 Ford F-150 FX2. And out of all the cars in this shop right now, I'm most excited for this one because I can't wait to detail it. This is gonna be such a transformation. There is so much that we're gonna do to this truck. There's so much that needs to be, there's so much love that needs to be put back into this truck. This truck was actually brought to us by our office manager, Justin. His brother brought it to us because he made us a table that we put in our break room, our lunchroom there. Awesome table, and we're gonna trade him for a detail. So we're gonna totally transform this truck, and I'm super excited. We got paint correction to do. We have windows to polish out. Look at all this water spotting on the window. All the trim, you can see it was previously detailed because it has compound sling and everything in the cracks. So we're gonna clean all that up. We're gonna polish the paint. We're gonna be using solution finish and all this faded trim. This is a truck from Florida, and all the trim is faded, and we're gonna bring that back to life, make it look brand new, wash it, clean it. We're gonna do a full interior detail on the inside. Might even wrap the top here because the top is almost pink. It's not even red anymore. We'll wrap that top maybe in a satin black matte film. Get that looking good. The cowling here, look at how faded this is. Love bugs galore. We're gonna clean them up. We're gonna get this coated so it's easier for him when he goes to wash it to get these love bugs off. The headlights are faded. We're gonna fix those. Full interior detail. I can't wait to get started on this. Let's do it. F-Type?
Front bumper is getting rewrapped. It got PPF a while ago for somebody else. He just wants it done better.
So you just gotta do the rocker panel on the front bumper?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it first because I gotta detail it.
Okay.
The simplest matters goes to overdrive.
All right, so today we're working on this Jaguar F-Type, and the owner of it had some paint protection film done at another shop, and he wasn't happy with the front bumper and some of the side skirt pieces, so we redid that for him. Whoever he got it done with had the rocker panel kit on, but it was super short and he just wanted a lot more coverage. So we're gonna do a custom piece for him and have it wrap up as high as we can and make it look invisible so it doesn't look like it's there. Let's get it done. Sold, cousin. I'll be suave.
Look at all these Teslas, there's 3 of them. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Let's see what's going on over here. They look confused. Tesla day?
They're all tint cars.
Really?
Yeah.
All 3 of the Teslas?
Yeah.
Or
that one's already done. I did the expo shield on that.
Cayenne Diesel, got a level 5 paint correction, and now
Level 5?
Yep, they're doing a...
Was it destroyed?
It was so bad.
Have they compounded everything?
Yeah, it's all compounded. Getting ready to start polishing it. Then it's getting Modesto BCO4.
Hi, Wayne.
Hey, what's up, Jason?
Do you love black Porsches?
The best.
Is it hard paint or soft paint?
Soft paint.
It is really soft?
Yeah. It's not too bad, but I mean, lots coming out. Just getting a full correction.
Yeah.
Are we coating it?
It's getting everything done.
It's gonna look sick.
All right, so the RDS4 is done. I'm giving it a final check over. The customer requested that we compound and polish the top of the trunk and recoat it because it was just in such bad shape. And it looks much better now if you take a look at that. The coating still looks good even after I think it got coated 2 or 3 years ago. Nice and glossy again. It's good to hit the road.
All right, now that everything's prepped, we can start on the interior detail part.
All right, so we finished up the Jaguar. We got it over to the detail guys. They're gonna do a single step on it. Now we're working on this Ford Expedition. We're doing all the B-pillars on this thing. So normally when you got B-pillars on a car or truck that are black, the paint is super soft and it's really easy for them to scratch. So we're gonna put paint protection film on it because it has that self-healing property and we want them to look good always.
What's up, man? What do we got?
Range Rover wheels.
Nice. All right, we just got finished with the interior. Everything is clean, carpets are clean, leather's clean, all the plastic and vinyls are clean. Now it's time to protect everything. For that, we're gonna be using these two products, Dr. Beasley's Leather Cream and Dr. Beasley's Plastic Conditioner. What I like about these products is they both have UV inhibitors in it and they leave the surface a matte finish. It's not gonna be greasy, it doesn't have any silicone in there, it's not gonna be slippery. So I really love using these products as a protectant for the interior.
All right, so now we're just finishing up polishing on the back of the Porsche. And then from there, we're gonna wipe down the windows, put the G1. Correction wasn't that bad, a lot of scratches, but the polishing is coming along great. It's not, I mean, not like your typical like black, flat black car where you'll be polishing for hours and hours and hours, but this is not bad at all. So it's about like six 6 to 8 passes. So it's coming out really nice too. Got a lot of the scratches out, a lot of them. So it's gonna look pretty sick.
End of the day, close enough to the end of the day, finishing up a car. Dave!
Shoot it right now?
Yeah. This is Dave.
Jaguar Approach, what's up?
All right, end of the day. Lots of stuff going on. We didn't get anything done, I don't think. We're in the middle of like 18 projects. Ford F-150. We actually do have to put some window tint on the front windshield, so we'll probably see if we can get that squeezed into the window tint area tomorrow. What's the Tesla getting? Tint wash. Did we finish anything today? You weren't even here half the day. Yeah, the F-Type, they got done with the paint protection film. They're still working on this diesel Cayenne. They're gonna get started on polishing the Jaguar F-Type. They did some paint protection film this morning. This one's gonna get Modesta BCO8. How's the paint? It's pretty soft though.
Yeah, it's pretty soft.
What else are we doing to this Tesla?
It's level 1 and I think Modesta? BCO4?
Modesta?
Yep, BCO4.
BCO4. And then this is a new one, the Boxer.
Yeah, so this is getting it's getting a partial and full rocker kit.
Okay. Are we doing anything on the paint?
No.
Ceramic coating, just paint protection film?
Yeah, just lost the paint protection film.
Thanks for coming.
Oh, he's getting the wheels polished.
Oh, he's getting the wheels polished. Are we gonna coat them or just polishing them?
He just wants them polished.
All right. That's it for today. Thanks for coming. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with us. Come back next time, huh? Subscribe. If you're thinking about getting gloss black rims, don't do it. Just don't do it. On the next episode, if you see that this is yellow, it means that that top coat is gone and you have no protection there. So that's when we have to do headlight restoration, which
Oh yeah, here we go.
Come on, baby. Go, baby. You got it.